In 2015, more than 205 billion emails were sent, and this number is expected to increase to 246 billion by the end of 2020. And according to research, email delivers the best ROI for marketing. For each $1 spent, the average ROI is $38. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And quick one today, I'll be teaching you on how to set your email marketing in 2022. And the first step, setting your email marketing, is one, set your email marketing goals. It is very vital, it is very essential to set your email marketing goals. For example, you might be starting your email marketing to be able to drive product sales, to be able to build business or brand awareness, to be able to nurture leads, to be able to upsell your products, or to be able to convert repeat customers. That is setting your email marketing goals. Another thing is get to know your audience. Most times, most business owners, most startup owners, they don't know who their target audience is. They don't know who their clients are. They don't know who their customer is. One thing is know your clients, know your customers, and work towards getting to know your target audience. It is very, very important. To start your email marketing, you need to first understand your buyer's persona. Another thing is you select an email marketing provider. It is very important. Select an email marketing provider. That is, we have a variant. We have the constant contact. That one is to provide easy to use drag and drop email templates. We also have the convert kit. That one is to offer landing pages. If you have a website, you can always have a landing page for your brand. And we also have get response. That is, the get response is to enhance your email marketing platform with autoresponder and sales funnel. We also have the Mailchimp. Most of you must have heard about that one. It offers a free plan with powerful marketing tools for small business owners. We also have the Substack. That is, it will feature paid newsletter subscriptions. There are brand owners that offer paid newsletter subscriptions. So we also have the Drip. That is, enable small e-business owners to be able to get to know how to be able to navigate their way through the email form of marketing. Another thing you should note is build your marketing list. Build your email marketing list. It is very essential. It is very important to be able to build your email marketing list. That is, whether you have 15 or 1,500 contacts on your email list, you can always benefit from a list building strategy in place to acquire more. And that thing is, choose an email marketing strategy. It is very essential. It is very important. One of the essential part of learning how to start an email marketing is understanding the kind of email you want to send to your email subscribers inbox. Then another thing is optimize your email. Something I've talked about this severally in most of my videos about search engine optimization. That is, to be able to optimize your email. Your email should not just be more than 125 words. It is to capture your audience attention. Another thing you should note is your content. It is very important. The kind of content you'll be posting, the kind of content you'll be updating. The kind of content you'll be posting will determine if your audience will be able to be closer to you. That is, if your audience will be able to patronize you or not. Another thing is evaluate your data. It is very essential. Evaluate your data. That is, try and track how many people have unsubscribed for your newsletter. Try and track how many people have looked at your email. Try and look at the number of people that have patronized you. Look at the number of people that have clicked on the link you inserted in your email. That is, evaluate your data. So, in my next video, I'll be teaching you on how to plan a successful email marketing strategy in 2022. Sit back, stay glued, don't go anywhere. Don't forget to like, to share, to comment, and also I would love to listen to your comments by the comment section. But now you have been able to really make use of your email form of marketing. Thank you very much.